Introducing first, from Berlin, Germany, weighing in at 303 pounds, dynamic war.
Here we go. This is the match a lot of these people came to see tonight.
And with good reason, Michael. This one's been brewing for quite some time.
This one promises to be absolutely amazing.
But as they say, promises are made to be broken, Michael. Though in this case, I think we're safe. Hayabusa!
Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at one of the all-time greats making his way to the ring.
And look at all the camera phones coming out. All of them hoping to catch a good shot of Scott Hall.
When you enter the ring with Scott Hall, you're only a toothpick flick away from having a rough night.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, yo. That was terrible, Byron.
Scott Hall's influence on sports entertainment has been massive. You could say he was the fire starter that ignited the Monday Night Wars.
Yeah, I'll agree. Scott Hall is responsible for changing the landscape of this industry forever. Plain and simple.
I don't believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. Oh, nasty impact. Nailed it. Boom, what impact. Irish whip.
Scott Hall getting put in check here.
And it's so hard to create space for yourself in a tornado tag team match such as this.
You never want to count a competitor out, but things don't seem to be going in his favor here tonight.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. So many variables for him to take into account here in this tornado tag match.
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could be a pivotal point in this match, guys. Let's see how he reacts here.
How can they get away with that? That's not legal.
This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not.
Ooh-wee. Thunderous slam.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Irish whip. You gotta believe this one's over. Hurricane Rana. And he's heading back in. Going for it all here.
Man, what a slam. He's in the driver's seat now.
Sit-out jawbreaker.
You can pick up your teeth in the third row.
He's not going to like this.
Nailed it.
Here's his moment, Michael.
And that's a thrilling victory. These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Man, this was great.
Well, that match wasn't much to look at, but at least they gave a little bit of effort. Kind of like some women I've dated.
Here are your winners, Dynamic War and Hayabusa.
Nice teamwork by these two here tonight. With wins like that, there's no way these two should even think about splitting up. Just my opinion.
I think I can safely speak for all of us when I say that was an amazing contest.